Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This program. It's just for test if the your password is strong or not. It's a simple program actually. Uh, at the first, I make a password value. I try. I order from the user to enter his password. Then I took the password and I find the length of it. Then here I create four value uh, with a with a zero. The first value for upper letter and the second value for lower letter, and this is for the number, and this one for the symbols. Then I create a loop because I want the I want to check all of the letter in the password. So I create the loop and I check if the first letter is in a capital letter, add one. If it's the if not, he go and check if it's in a small letter. If not, he will it will check if it's the number or in samples. Then count how many capital letter, how many small letter, how many numbers, and how many samples. Then uh, I calculate the score for each for a capital letter. I calculate the number of characters, capital letter, and the first thing actually I the number of the number of letters in the password, and I multiply it by 4. This is the first score. The second, the score for upper letter, then a lower letter, then a number, then a samples. Then I add all of them together to check. Then because we want in one value, because we will use this value to check if the password is strong or not. After I add it, I create a condition. So if the strong, which is this value, it's more than 0 or less than 20, say it's a weak password. If it's more than 20, less than 40, say weak. If it's less than 60 and greater than 40 or equal, actually it's say it's a good password, not weak and not strong. If it's more than 60 and less than 80, it's a strong password. If it's less than 100 and more than 80, it's very strong password. Anything more, I give it here another final condition. Anything more, that's mean the password is very strong. Now I will run it and I will try this password, the first one. We will show this is the weak password. So I will run it again and I will try the second password. It's a weak password also. I will try the third one. It's a strong password. I will try it. This is the fourth one. It's a very strong password because it's calculate the score. It doesn't. It's depend on the score it's calculated. Here It's a weak password. This is a good password, not strong and not weak. And we will find the final password. It's a very good strong password because the score is more than 100. Actually, there is a way to check if the letter is sequence or number, but I didn't do this in this project. And that's it. And thank you.